I created a blockbuster movie trailer and I'm not going to make it again. Never ever. I will tell you later why. But let's start with how I made an movie trailer using only free AI tools. So to create a trailer for a movie using free AI tools, first I need to narrow down each AI tool which will be better for me and which tool should I use. So I have three AI tools which I have used to create my trailer. First is ChatGPT for scene creation and script writing. Second one is the Runaway ML for creating the animations and giving life to pictures. Third one is 11 Labs for text to speech voiceover and having more character voices. So 11 Labs is the option. These tools are free, but you can also have free membership. I mean, it's free for some credits and after that you have to pay. Yeah, that's the thing. But I have used these tools and let's see how I made it. The free, movie trailer of Blockbuster. So the second step is generating script with ChatGPT. So for that I went to ChatGPT and I prompted ChatGPT that I want a script for a blockbuster movie trailer. So I just hit enter and given the prompt, and after that it gives me script scenes for the trailer. But there was one problem, that is that I want the Runaway ML to understand each scene. So for that I told ChatGPT format this scenes as it will be understood by Runaway ML. So it gave me the result. So now the scenes will be understood by Runaway ML and the scenes will be generated right the way I want it to. But there was another mistake, or you can say another problem. That is step 3. Third step is to generate images for each scene. So Runaway ML needs images for the base of the animation. So on the basis of it, it will create scenes. So I went back to ChatGPT given the prompt that I want images to be generated for each scene. ChatGPT generated the images, and what happened is I forgot to prompt ChatGPT that the images should be in landscape format. Yes, I did that and it was a mistake. Because of that, lot of time wasted. I went back to ChatGPT, prompted that the images should be in landscape format. Obviously, it should be in landscape. You don't see trailers in portrait mode now, do you? Obviously. Yeah, wasted quite a bit of time, but we are back on track now. The fourth step is the Runaway ML, the nightmare of nightmares, because this is the thing that I didn't like in this process. Runaway ML, first what you have to do is just sign up and then go to generate video. After that, what you have to do, you just need to add your photo and then add the scene in the prompt section. Okay, that's good, but what's the problem? So for one single account, Runaway ML gives you limitation of 2 scenes. That means that you have 2 scenes and you can create 2 scenes of 10 seconds each. Okay, now I was having way more scenes, like 11 scenes. So guess what I did? Guessed it? Obviously not. I didn't pay Runaway ML anything. I went another way, the hard road. I created 7 different Gmail accounts and I go to Runaway ML, did the another process. So what was that process is creating account, going to Runaway ML, adding images, giving the prompt generated by ChatGPT, then getting the scene. Did it 7 times. Yes, I felt like an idiot. Thanks so much. And that's the way hardest process I have done in this video and I don't like it. And because of this, I might not do it right. So the fifth step was voice over with 11 Labs. Now, what I did was go to Google, search 11 Labs, open it, sign up, and after everything else, I have given the script to it because no movie trailer is complete without a deep, crispy voiceovers. So I went to 11 Labs and given the script to it, and after that I came back, heard it, it was really good, and this was the one of the easiest process that I have done in this video. It was really easy to do. Step 6, the final editing of Blockbuster trailer. So I went to CapCut because it's free, and after that what I did is generated the generated videos. I put it in the timeline, added effects on it, and added AI synchronized voiceovers in it so it can match the scenes. After that I have added music which was taken by pixels, and the moment of truth. Blockbuster trailer is finally here.
In a world on the brink of collapse, one hero, one last mission.
I don't run, I fight.
We have 24 hours
to save everything he loves.
You're already too late.
This summer, the clock is ticking, and time
Jack, get out of
is
there.
running out.
No!
Let's finish this.
Only in theaters. Prepare for the ride of your life.
So after creating so many scenes and creating 7 different accounts, was it worth it? Absolutely not. No. I'm not doing this again, not because the actual trailer wasn't cool. It was cool, I personally liked it, but the actual process behind it was frustrating. It's not easy to do. Everybody thinks that it is an automated process by AI. It will be done easily. Obviously, it was one of the frustrating process that I can say. And I'm not doing it unless I reach 50,000 likes on this video, and maybe, just maybe, I'll create AI generated movie. Yes, maybe, just maybe. That is up to likes.